Okay, guys, last part. This is part 4 of lesson 3.3. We want to finish this standard form equation. And again, we want to find y-intercept, x-intercept, and then what would x be if y is 12, and what would y be if x is 4. So pretty simple. If it's the y-intercept, we look at this equation, we know whenever we have the y-intercept, x has to be 0. So 0 times 2 is 0, so that means we have 3y is equal to 6. Divide both sides by 3. Y is going to be equal to 2. For the x-intercept, we know that when we have the x-intercept, y is 0. So 3 times 0 is 0. So we have 2x equals 6. Therefore, the x-intercept would be at 3. Now we want to find out what would it be, what would x be if y is 12? Well, that's pretty simple. Take our equation, 2x plus 3 times 12 going to equal 6. And so then we just go through and we can solve. 3 times 12 is 36. And then we subtract that from the side. So 2x is going to equal negative 30. And negative 30 divided by 2 is going to be negative 15. So our coordinates would be negative 15, 12. Okay. How about if x is 4? What would y be? Well, again, we can put it in for this equation. 2 times 4 plus 3y equals 6. 2 times 4 is 8. We can subtract 8 from both sides. So you're going to have 3y equals negative 2 divided by 3. And so our coordinates are going to be 4 and negative 2/3, because that is what y will equal, negative 2/3. Okay, and so this is just a good way for you guys to see how you can use all three of these equations, these forms, the slope-intercept form, the point-slope form, and the standard form, to solve different types of problems. So you're going to need to start thinking about, given the types of information you have, which of these forms would be best for you to use, and then move forward and use that form.